landing big shots on each other.
Well, this is King of the Cage Unstoppable, and we move on to David Carrasco as he takes on Jerome Martinez. So, David Carrasco takes center stage to prepare to battle with Jerome Martinez. And remember, King of the Cage is being brought to you in part by Rockstar Energy Drinks along with Elite XC Extreme Combat. You can check local listings and times on Showtime. And of course, make sure you visit kingofthecage.com where you can buy DVDs, fight gear, fight gloves like your fighters are wearing right now, and more. Log on to kingofthecage.com. Seems though Jerome Martinez was going to go for a sprinting run there. Very anxious to get in the cage here tonight.
Jerome fighting out of Greg Jackson's academy in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Very well-known gym.
Definitely a good camp you want in your corner. Jerome Martinez looks fit and ready to go.
Cecil doing the last-minute check on the Vaseline and the lube and stuff. Both fighters touching gloves.
Jerome Martinez with a body shot. Wow!
David Carrasco with the big slam.
That was a beautiful, beautiful slam. Jerome Martinez trying to work some submission here.
David Carrasco just landed some big shots. Jerome going for that armbar. Carrasco doing a good job of getting away. Big shots from Carrasco. Martinez really needs to get them his hips moving, right? He keeps going for those arm bars.
Wow.
Finally got it.
You know, when you see these guys, I know it's not a bodybuilding contest, and you see the guy that's more fit, sometimes that is a deceiving trick that some guys have. Cabbage Guerrero was one of those guys, but when they come in there, it's a deceiving trick because that big slam was athleticism displayed by Carrasco. Literally just tossed Martinez, but Martinez comes back victorious. Throws his kick. This is just beautiful aerodynamics right here. Completely flips him over. That is a beautiful slam.
Carrasco.
That is something you would see out of wrestling, and it happened for real here, folks. That is awesome. So Carrasco comes in. He gives up his arm, though, and that's where Martinez is going to take that limb and utilize his submission skills, and that's exactly what he did.
Does a good job of trapping the shoulders, up high, stepping over, and cranking on that arm.
That quick. Cecil Peoples making sure